Okay, so I'm in Xishuangbanna, the same city I was at Christmas time when I slept through an earthquake and then woke up only to be stuck in quarantine forever. So I'm seeing the stuff that I didn't have a chance to see last time. Now, you can see behind me, it's like really tropical. The city, I'm going here because I can't leave China without a lot of crazy quarantine. But it's close to the border, so you have a lot of good Thai food and Thai influenced food. And it reminds me of Maui with cobblestones. You got a lot of the old Thai architecture going on and a lot of good spicy food. But right now I'm going up to my favorite thing, and that is the bird walkers with all the old men. I should be there all day. Okay, so I'm at my favorite park in the whole world. I don't even know the name of it. But the BirdWatcher park in China. Birds are to old men what old cars are to American guys. And they spend buku bucks on a bird and bird cage. And every day they bring them out to the bird park and stare at them. It's like a guy zone, and I am going to park inside. Of course they stop as soon as they put the camera there. Hello. The theory is birds will be happier if they sing with other birds, and they might learn something. Hey! It's going crazy. Alright. Okay, so along with bird competition, the guys here repair the bird cages. There's give you a little new rod for the birds to perch on, as well as new rods for your cage. Plus, you can buy mealworms and all that